Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please do support our videos. Grinding noise when braking. Causes and fixes. Hearing a grinding noise when you brake can be alarming. It's a clear sign that something's not right with your car and needs immediate attention. Ignoring it could lead to serious damage and even compromise your safety. This video will outline the common causes and fixes for that unsettling sound, helping you understand what might be wrong and what you should do about it. Stay tuned to learn how to address this issue before it turns into a larger, more costly problem. Common causes of grinding noise when braking. Hearing a grinding noise when you brake is a clear signal that something's wrong with your braking system. Let's explore some common reasons why you might hear that unsettling sound. Worn brake pads. Over time, brake pads wear down from constant use. Brake pads are designed to press against the brake rotor to slow down or stop your car. As you use your brakes, the friction wears down the pads. When they become too thin, the metal backing can make contact with the rotor, causing a grinding noise. Not only is this sound annoying, but it's also a sign that it's time to replace your brake pads. Ignoring this can lead to more severe damage to your braking system. Debris between rotor and caliper. Sometimes, tiny bits of debris like dirt, stones, or rust can get lodged between the brake rotor and caliper. This can create a grinding or scraping sound when you apply the brakes. Even a small piece of gravel can cause significant noise. It's like having a rock stuck in your shoe. It's irritating and needs to be removed. Cleaning out this debris involves removing the wheel and inspecting the brake components. Luckily, this fix is usually straightforward but should not be delayed to avoid further damage. Low-quality brake pads. Using low-quality brake pads can also lead to grinding noises. Cheaper brake pads often don't meet the same standards as higher-quality ones. They may wear out faster and unevenly, leading to inconsistent braking performance and annoying sounds. Investing in high-quality brake pads can save you a lot of headaches and money in the long run. It's like buying a cheap pair of shoes. They'll wear out quickly and may even hurt your feet. In the same way, low-quality brake pads won't provide the reliable, quiet braking you need. Understanding these common causes can help you diagnose and fix the issue before it worsens. Stay mindful of your brake system's condition to ensure your vehicle's safety and longevity. Diagnosing grinding noise when braking. If you're hearing a grinding noise when you brake, it's crucial to figure out what's causing it. Quick action can save you from expensive repairs and keep you safe on the road. Let's go through some steps to diagnose the issue. Visual inspection. Before diving into more complex methods, start with a simple visual inspection. This is the easiest way to spot any obvious problems. 1. Park your car on a level surface. Make sure your car is on a flat, stable surface. Engage the parking brake for safety. 2. Remove the wheel. Use a jack and lug wrench to lift your car and remove the wheel. This will give you a better view of the brake components. 3. Check the brake pads. Look at the thickness of your brake pads. If they look thin or worn out, it's time to replace them. Worn-out brake pads are a common cause of grinding noises. 4. Inspect the rotors. Examine the brake rotors for any grooves, cracks, or scoring. Smooth rotors mean your brakes are in good shape, but any irregularities could be problematic. 5. Look at the calipers. Make sure the calipers are securely mounted and check for any signs of damage or leaks. Taking these steps can help you spot issues without specialized tools. If everything looks okay but the grinding persists, move on to the next step. Test drive. A test drive can help identify exactly when the grinding noise occurs. Here's how to do it safely. 1. Choose a safe location. Find an empty parking lot or a quiet road with minimal traffic. 2. Start slowly. Begin driving at a low speed and gently apply the brakes. Listen closely for the grinding noise. 3. Vary your speed. Try braking at different speeds. Does the grinding happen when you brake lightly, hard, or both? 4. Pay attention to other symptoms. Notice any vibration, pulsing, or if the brake pedal feels different. These can give further clues about the problem. A test drive can help you pinpoint exactly when and how the grinding occurs, giving you valuable information to share with a mechanic if needed. Professional inspection. If your visual inspection and test drive don't solve the issue, it's time to call in the pros. Certified mechanics. Always go to a certified and experienced mechanic. They have the tools and expertise to diagnose issues that might not be visible to the naked eye. Thorough inspection. A mechanic will lift your car, remove the wheels, and check the entire brake system. This includes the brake pads, rotors, calipers, and even the brake lines and fluid. Computer diagnostics. Some modern vehicles have sensors that track brake performance. A mechanic can read these diagnostics to spot hidden issues. Don't ignore the problem. Ignoring a grinding noise can lead to more severe damage and costly repairs. Always prioritize safety and get a professional inspection if you're unsure about your findings. Taking these steps can help you pinpoint the source of the grinding noise and ensure your car's braking system stays in top shape. Solutions to grinding noise when braking. If you're hearing a grinding noise when you brake, it's crucial to address the issue promptly. Here, we'll explore some solutions to help you resolve the noise and ensure your car's brakes are working properly. Replacing brake pads. Worn out or low-quality brake pads are a common cause of grinding noises. Replacing them can solve the problem and improve overall braking performance. Importance of replacing brake pads. Worn brake pads can damage your brake rotors, leading to costly repairs. Moreover, they decrease your car's stopping power, which is dangerous. Stay tuned for part 2 where we'll cover the fixes for grinding noises when braking. Drive safe and take care. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.